NCERT book, page number 221, question number 1. Okay. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then ratio of R upon R dash is. Okay. So basically, they are saying that there is one resistance R which is cut into 5 equal parts. Okay. So resistance of each part, each one of 5 parts will be equal to R by 5. अगर कोई रेजिस्टेंस R है और उसको 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में कट करते हैं तो हर का रेजिस्टेंस R by 5 होगा. अब ये जो R by 5 रेजिस्टेंस है, ऐसे 5 रेजिस्टेंस है R by 5 के, दे आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. सो 1 by RP equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Okay. So this will be equal to 1 upon R by 5 plus 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 1 upon R by 5. Okay. Whenever there is a fraction upon fraction, basically 1 is 1 upon 1. ठीक है. फ्रैक्शन अपॉन फ्रैक्शन अगर हमको अभी तक सॉल्व करना नहीं आता है तो वी कैन थिंक दिस वे. इफ वी हैव अ फ्रैक्शन a upon b upon c upon d, so d is always multiplied with a and b and c are multiplied. Okay. So here when we have 1 upon r upon 5, so 5 will go in numerator. It will be basically 5 upon r plus 5 upon r plus 5 upon r plus 5 upon r plus 5 upon r. Okay. R is the LCM, so R, and when we'll add all 5s, it will be 25. So, okay. So 1 by RP equals to, so this is actually 1 upon RP equals to 25 upon R. What we have to find is R upon R dash. Basically RP को R dash बोला है. Okay. So this will be equal to R upon R dash or RP, that is equal to 25. So 25 is the answer. Option D is the correct answer. If there are n resistances of value R, n रेजिस्टेंस है, मतलब n मतलब कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, 2 3 4 5, हर का वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस R है, तो RS इज गिवन बाय n इंटू R. तो अगर उन सब रेजिस्टेंस को सीरीज में कनेक्ट करते हैं तो उनका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस होगा n इंटू R. मीन्स इफ 5 रेजिस्टेंसेज आर देयर, ईच ऑफ वैल्यू 10 ohms, then we can directly say that equivalent resistance when connected in series will be equal to 10 into 5, that is 50. Okay. So basically I am saying if there are 5 resistances of value 10 ohm, I can directly find equivalent resistance by this formula. 5 resistance है, सबकी value 10 ohms है, that is equal to 50 ohm. Okay. So अगर सबकी value same है तो we can use this formula. Are you getting what I am saying? Now, if there are n resistances of value R and if they are connected in parallel, then RP is given by R upon N. Okay. So equivalent resistance in this case is given by R upon N. मतलब if there are 5 resistances of value 10 ohm, okay, so this we can use a shortcut formula, that is equal to Rp equals to value of R is this and value of resistance is this, so it will be 2 ohms. Okay. This कि हम पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन में उस क्वेश्चन को इस फॉर्मूले से भी कर सकते थे. सबकी वैल्यू क्या थी? R/5 और कितने रेजिस्टेंस थे? 5. तो Rp कैन बी फाउंड बाय R अपॉन N. R की वैल्यू है R/5 और N की वैल्यू है 5, तो R अपॉन 25. और व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड इज R बाय R डैश, तो R बाय R डैश हो जाएगा 25. This R dash is this, so when it will come here and 25 will go there, so R by R dash will be equal to 25. Okay. Now question 2. Which of the following terms does not represent electric power? What is the answer here? Yes, sure. क्या है इसका answer? B. Okay. IR square. This one is not the formula for electric power. बाकी सब electric power का formula है I square R, VI और V square by R. Okay. Question 3. Electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. 100 तो watt है इसकी power rating और 220 volt है. Okay. When it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be. सबसे पहले हम will find the resistance of the bulb. So R equals to, first of all, P equals to V square upon R. Power, potential difference और resistance का formula ये है P equals to V square upon R. तो R will be equal to V square upon P. V is 220, square upon P is 100. So when we'll solve this, we'll get 484 ohms. Basically 22 का square होता है 48400 upon 100. So it will get 484 ohms. This is resistance of bulb. अब ये बोल रहे हैं कि when it is operated at 110 volts, power consumed will be. We have to find the power. Resistance is 484 and potential difference is 110. So again the same formula, P equals to V square upon R. V is 110 upon resistance is 484. So this is equal to 25 watt. Okay. Is it clear? So D will be the correct answer. Then question number 4. Okay. Question 4 ये है कि two conducting wires of same material of equal length and equal diameters are first connected in series and then in parallel. So basically दो वायर हैं, उनका मटेरियल भी सेम है, लेंथ भी सेम है और डायमीटर भी सेम है. इससे क्या मतलब हुआ? उनका क्या सेम होगा अगर लेंथ सेम है, मटेरियल सेम है और डायमीटर सेम है? तो
potential difference.
No. See, if material is same, resistance will be same actually. If material is same, length is same and diameter is same. So we know that R equals to rho L upon A. दोनों की लेंथ सेम है, एरिया सेम है और मटेरियल सेम है, तो रेजिस्टेंस विल बी सेम. ओके. सो गिवन दैट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ बोथ द वायर्स आर सेम, लेट इट बी एक्स. अगर रेजिस्टेंस एक्स है दोनों का, ठीक है. इफ दे आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज, ओके, they are first connected in series and then in parallel. So first case, when they are connected in series, equivalent resistance will be x plus x 2x. Okay, so equivalent resistance will be this. Okay, now current क्या होगा अगर resistance ये है, तो I will be equal to V upon R, that is equal to V upon 2x. Suppose इसको I1 लिखते हैं, इसको R1 लिखते हैं, तो that will be V upon 2x. अब we have to find heat generated in this case, so H1 equals to I1 square R1 into T. Okay. So I is V upon 2x the whole square R1 is 2x into t. Okay, or we can write square, and here 2x will get cancelled with 2x, so v square t upon 2x. We'll leave this expression here only. We'll find the next expression now. Okay, now when two resistances are connected in parallel, उनकी दोनों की value x है. Okay, resistances are connected in parallel. Okay, तो पैरेलल रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, R अपॉन, अगर दोनों की रेजिस्टेंस सेम होता है तो वी हैव सीन RP कैन बी रिटन एज R अपॉन N. अगर दो रेजिस्टेंस है और दोनों का रेजिस्टेंस सेम है तो उनका इक्विवेलेंट पैरेलल रेजिस्टेंस होता है R अपॉन N. वी हैव सीन जस्ट नाउ. यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू है x और कितने रेजिस्टेंस है 2, तो R2 और RP विल बी दिस. अब इस केस में I2 will be equal to V upon R2. V है, V is V only, R2 is X upon 2. So it will be 2V by X. Now H2 is I2, R2 into T. Okay, so 1 minute. So H2 will be equal to I is 2V upon X the whole square. R2 is X upon 2 and T is T. So when we'll solve this, we'll get 2 and 2 will cancel, V square T और X में ये आ जाएगा. Okay, V square 2T by X. अब हमको इस क्वेश्चन में क्या निकालना है, H1 is to H2, तो H1 by H2 आ जाएगा. जो हमारे पहले वाले एक्सप्रेशन में H1 की वैल्यू थी, that was V square T upon 2X. So V square T upon 2x divide by 2V square T upon X. So this will be V square T upon 2x into X upon 2V square T. So this all will cancel. This will be equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 is to 4 is the answer. C is the correct answer. Ideal ammeter resistance is 0 and ideal voltmeter resistance is infinite. Okay, then question number 6. Copper wire has diameter 0.5 mm. So diameter of copper wire is 0.5 mm. That is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, resistivity rho is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of the wire to make resistance 10 ohm? Okay, so how much does the resistance change if diameter is doubled? Basically, first of all we have to find length. Okay, so R equals to rho L upon A. This formula we are going to use, and what is unknown quantity here is length. Okay, so L equals to RA upon rho. Okay, so L equals to RA upon rho. R is 10 ohms, area, diameter दिया है. Okay, wire दिया है, that means area will be, its cross section will be circular. So we'll just put that formula pi r square. Pi r square और अगर d दिया है तो pi d by 2 the whole square. Okay, so for area we'll write pi d by 2. D is 0.5, so 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, this is area, and rho, value of rho is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Okay, so 10 into 3.14 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 2 into 2. This we have to solve. Okay, so solve and tell me what is the answer. Okay, so This is the answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. अब
No.
ओके तो इसका एक पार्ट और है. हाउ डज रेजिस्टेंस चेंज इफ डायमीटर डबल्स? R इज इक्वल टू रो एल अपॉन ए. ठीक है, या फिर रो एल. एरिया क्या होता है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. आर स्क्वायर मीन्स डी अपॉन टू द होल स्क्वायर. ओके, so it is pi d square and this 4 will come here. So basically resistance is inversely proportional to square of diameter. Okay, अगर diameter को double कर देंगे. Okay, so if diameter is doubled, resistance will become 1/4 times. Okay, if d equals to 2d or 2 small d. Okay, then resistance will be 1 upon 2d the whole square, or R will be proportional to 1 upon 4d square. Okay, so if diameter is doubled, resistance will be 1/4 times. जो पहले वाला रेजिस्टेंस है उसका 1/4 हो जाएगा if diameter is doubled. Is it clear? Because resistance और diameter में क्या relation है? Resistance is inversely proportional to square of diameter. मतलब जितना diameter है उसको जितना change कर रहे हो उसका square वो भी inversely proportional. Okay. So this will be the answer of next part. Then question number 6. Okay. Sorry, question 7. The values of I flowing in given resistor for corresponding values of potential difference are given below. Plot a graph between V and I and calculate the resistance. Okay. So for finding resistance, पहले तो इसका ग्राफ प्लॉट करना है. Okay, this will be homework. क्या करेंगे? You will take potential difference on this axis. Suppose V I am taking on x axis and I on y axis. When you will plot this, you will get a graph. ठीक है, इसमें कोई भी 2 पॉइंट्स ले लेना, उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग करंट रीड करना, एंड रेजिस्टेंस यू हैव टू फाइंड. सो R इक्वल्स टू, सपोज दिस इज V2, दिस इज V1, दिस इज I2, दिस इज I1. So V2 minus V1 upon I2 minus I1. This you have to do and calculate the value of resistance. Okay, this you have to try. This will be homework. In case you are not getting, I'll explain here. Okay, then question number 8. When a 12-volt battery is connected across an unknown resistance, then there is a current of 2.5 milliamperes. Calculate the value of resistance. Okay, potential difference दे रखा है 12 volts, current दे रखा है 2.5 milliamperes. That is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 amperes. We have to find resistance. So R equals to V upon I. V is 12. I is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. That will be equal to 12 into 1000 upon 2.5. This you have to solve. This is 4800 ohm. Okay. Bigger units of resistance is kilo ohm. So 4800 ohm is also equal to 4.8 kilo ohm. These both are correct. This will be the answer. Okay. So till question number 8 we have completed. Question number 7 is homework. Okay. Question number 9 and question number 10 also you can try. Okay. So these are homework. Meeting is going to end. So